POYA is recognized as a world-acclaimed brand of radio frequency device. POYA SM is typical home use device for face care. Please take all the metallic accessories off from your body and start a massage after pressing power button. Please make sure to hold the ground meta plate handle as tight and wide as you can. The intensity is adjustable from level 1 up to level 3. Please massage smoothly with warm temperature. Recommendable is 15 to 20 minute use per day. POYA SM generates deep heating by RF system, which stimulates the collagen layer. It consequently helps the blood circulation and skin rejuvenation. Please use POYA SM before makeup or go to bed. It surely helps the skin rejuvenation, wrinkle care, slimmer face, and facelifting. With POYA SM, you can feel the big difference on your face.